welcome to Trophy Mountain. Let's go get some birds.
Alrighty, boys. Got your cigars. Huh?
Oh yeah, for another hunt.
Oh yeah, getting ready. Let's get this here. Let's get a little advertising.
You're gonna have to pay to be in the advertisement. Sponsorship in the videos.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll be sending you a fucking bill on this.
Hey, he's putting the IVs out.
There's Gardner. He's getting ready to go. He's going without you guys. All right.
I'm gonna go out there and miss some birds.
Look here.
That's it.
He never hits any pheasant. That's why it's called pheasant.
It's forever. Live forever. Just keep living.
Alrighty, boys. We'll see you in the field. Alrighty, guys. Here it is.
I'm gonna see her here.
Sunday morning, second day of deer season. Which one got the big 10-point yesterday?
Right here.
Oh yeah. Which one got
We're
the?
bird hunting. I didn't get shit.
What? Who got the other one?
Gary.
Gary got an 8-point.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, where's he at? He's supposed to be filming
I was
too.
sleeping.
Yeah, and he was sleeping. Yeah, that ain't bad. 8-point and a 10-point out of this group here at Trophy Mountain.
Yeah.
And your father shot one.
I didn't shoot nothing.
Did you see any?
And his father shot a 7-point.
He shot and missed.
When? Huh?
You suck.
You hockey.
You suck.
Yeah.
You missed. I'm old. I have an excuse.
Yeah, we both have excuses.
Lots of excuses.
I have like 400 or 500 excuses why we missed.
That's true.
I'll get a new one today, I'm sure.
Here, I gotta go.
You can count on that.
There's Gardner and his dog. You come up here with me. Let them young boys in that grass. Greg, don't let nothing get by you down there.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, we're filming you.
Pheasants forever. Well, around Heverly, we call them pheasants forever.
Yeah.
They usually live forever. All right, Rem, find one. Give me a bird up, Remington.
I think
Yep.
so.
Hey, you got her right this time. Get ready. It's going to be on the move. Move in there on him. Get that bird up, boys. Shake him out of there. Whoa! Whoa!
Bang! Touch it up, Rem! Bang, bang, skeet, skeet, motherfucker. There you go.
I think they hit that one. What do you think?
I think he did.
Greg, did you get a shot at that?
Did you guys both shoot?
Yeah.
You shot one shot each?
Shot two.
You
Yeah.
shot both shots? I think your father shot.
Yeah, he did.
You shot two?
Yeah, he hit him.
That bird didn't have a chance.
He got hit first time.
That first time. Really?
He started taking off again. He hit him the first shot.
Yeah.
But he kept going.
All right.
All right, at least we didn't miss the first one.
Yeah.
We could miss the rest. Man, you've been doing this 25 years here, you said?
Yeah. Well, probably I've been doing
When
it.
I saw the one, they said you've been doing it 25
Yeah.
years.
Well, I'm not here, but
Total?
yeah, I had probably 22 years here.
22 years here?
Yeah.
Okay.
But they've been hunting with me at the other places ever since I started.
I always remember the story, not the same story, but you told me how you met Roger.
Yeah.
And he wanted you here.
Yeah.
And you said,
Yeah.
he says, I'll write any contract that
Yeah.
you want.
Yeah.
And you said, no, your word's good enough.
Yeah.
Or I think you said it or he said it.
Yeah, I said we have to do attorneys. We're not doing nothing. You know.
It's just nice about working with good people.
Yep.
You don't have to worry about all that. She's on it. Oh, she is. She's on again.
Yeah. He's tracking. All right, let's let her hunt in here a little bit.
Back in, Rem. Find him, buddy.
Tell you what, it's so pretty out here. Way of hills,
Oh
and
yeah.
fields, and hedgerows.
Ready up there, Gordon? I don't know. Look birdie.
He did see a rooster running up the path.
Yeah.
Down to the bottom. 50 yards or so.
Not now. I don't.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut back there. He's heading up. Starting to look a little shitty.
Get ready, boss man.
Looking straight ahead. He's stopped. Let's move up to him quick. You got one small fast. Okay, Rem, find him. Get him up. Right there, take him.
Whoa!
Bird, good. Get!
He's down.
It's a hen.
Yep. Touch it up, Rem.
Shoot at him or not? Did you shoot?
I shot. I don't know if you hit him. We all shot at the same time.
Hey, the bird's down.
That's all.
Mine,
We all got him.
mine.
You don't have a chance with 5 guns. 4 guns anyway.
I killed him with my dead eye.
I shot him with the camera.
There you go. 6.
Good doggy.
I want you guys get one more up.
I'll be honest with you, I prefer to do pheasant hunting than the deer.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not crazy about deer hunting.
Me either. I quit.
Early, I sit there and freeze and can't move, can't talk.
Yeah.
You guys ought to come up in October sometime and do a fest.
Honest to
That's
God,
what we were saying. We were gonna come up.
listen, I'll tell you what I was thinking. I swear to God, I was thinking this about 50 yards back. Before we leave today, I'm gonna book. When do you get started? October?
September. But you want to do
October.
it. You want to do it the end of October, beginning of November. Here's a rooster right here. Get ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna book him. You can't stop me and go come
Be a rooster.
Yeah, he's walking. Let's get up on him.
Okay.
Get ready. Let's move up quickly, guys.
Up, Rem.
Yep, he's going in. He's going in. Get up here, guys. Hey, it's one of them pretty ones.
That's a dark one. I like that.
Yeah.
All right, it's gonna be in front of you.
Up here, Remington.
He's right up in here.
Oh, he's probably down in there going now.
Find him, Rem.
Whoa! Gunzo! Put that cigar up there! That boy want a cigar!
Oh yeah, lucky cigar.
He want a cigar!
Dead bird, Rem. Bring him
I
back.
was ready to pull the trigger. too.
He said, he got him.
Touch him here.
Huh?
This one's a dark one. Look at the
That's
color.
a nice
Yeah.
looking bird.
Yeah.
Look
We're
at
gonna
it. It's
bring
dark.
some feathers home. I wanna.
That's one of them Mongolians.
Nice looking bird.
All the dark green in there.
Isn't it dark?
Beautiful. I've never seen.
Hold him up, Gardner. They want to see. Hold him up.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. I've never seen one that dark.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, boys. I think I got enough film on you
What
guys.
do they call them? Maltese or something?
I call him a dead pheasant.
I call them.
I'd have a cell phone. Huh.
Somebody does.
Greg, yeah, I think you shot that last rooster, didn't you?
I might have hit it. I think Anthony killed him.
I think you on him too.
Yeah.
You got peppered. You got hit a couple times.
Get in there behind them birds, boys.
Now hold them up like this when you hit the feathers.
There you go. Yeah. Right from the backside.
All right, we got 2 Gregs and 2 Anthonys, right? Yeah. How'd you boys do today?
Banged him up.
Did ya?
No misses.
Oh, yeah.
Those poor things, we had a great time.
Did ya?
Absolutely.
That's right, we're booking in October.
Always
That's it.
Yeah.
Always.
I think we're gonna do 100 pheasants, Anthony said. Yeah.
In here.
Yeah. Hold that one up there. He's a good looking bird. Hold him up by the tail.
Mongolian up.
Just hold him by the tail or his legs, whatever.
Yep. We're equal opportunity here.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
We shoot everything.
yeah. Yeah.
Great time. Thanks, John.
All righty.
Yeah,
Thanks
thank
for
you.
coming, guys.
Thank you.